actually celebration of all the national days. So we celebrate almost all the national days in the college. Independence Day, Republic Day, then reading of the Constitution, introduction of voter awareness program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, World Environment, every national and international day is celebrated in college.
We have records of everything here.
Then we have alternate sources of energy such as solar plants, we have management for degradable and non-degradable waste, we have water conservation facility, we have green campus initiatives, we have disabled friendly environment, everything. Coming to the last part of this, because this is a major area to be evaluated by your honorable team members, institutional values and best practices. The matrix says name the 2 best practices which are followed by your college. The first one is continuous guidance for judicial services. So judicial. Actually, this is a regular activity even we are conducting it for the first year student. So what was the objective? The objective was to provide specialized coaching and guidance to the law students aspiring to pursue a career in judiciary. The essence of the objective was practice is not just to prepare students for 6 judges exam, but to develop a potential amongst them. So continuous guidance so that they understand the responsibility of being a judge. So actually most of the students are appearing as a freshers. So within 1 year of coaching they sit as a judge without having any practical knowledge. So it really becomes difficult for them. So we actually try to provide them everything, not just tutorials or not just academics, but context is prompted by the recognition of the challenges and competition faced by the law students to enter judiciary. The lack of comprehensive guidance and coaching resources posed a significant barrier. So many of the students, actually we have specialized centers in Pune, but they charge as good as 30,000, 50,000 per student. And most of the students from our college belongs to rural area, so they cannot afford that fees. So we either charge nothing or either 1,000 just for the stationary expenses which we have. Some of them pay, most of them don't pay. Actually it is free judicial exam. Then the practice is
whatever you are charging, is it on annual basis or
no, just batch
basis?
exam basis. For prelims, we need coaching at least 4 to 5 months. We charge just 1,000. So the practice includes preparation for prelims. So in the form of coaching, in the form of MCQ test, regular MCQ tests are taken. In the form of online tests, we regularly do. This year we had 40 students appearing for the prelims, and we are sure 35 of them will qualify. Result would be coming even today, any time it will come. They have already published the answer key, final answer key. So out of 40, at least 35 students will qualify for the prelim, depending upon the cutoff. But however low, high it goes, at least 35 students will be qualified.
So it is now think that the students by the light rain say that once you take the admission to PDCL, you become judge. That way the things are.
And this coaching center is catering the needs of your students only or
No, even from
last? Okay. And what is the fee structure for outside the students?
Same. It is devoted services.
Actually, I am taking all the classes by myself. When I am setting all these questions, MCQ setting is a very difficult task. But now I am used to it. From last 5 years, I am doing the same thing. I can now just within 1 hour, I can set a 50-mark MCQ.
He could have minted money if he could have started the private institution. But he's doing it for the society and for the college.
And preparation for mains, preparation for interviews. Madam is also intensively involved in all the.
The first grooming course I started myself in, as an image institute for the grooming people, and now I've stopped because there are a lot of activities are going on. But the new generation has come up.